How the Barbie movie aesthetic is taking the Big Apple by storm. Big bucks. Barbie diamond bedazzled doll sells for over 300K. Margot Robbie allegedly had tons of work done to look like Barbie. Barbie blows up Oppenheimer with 22.3 M at box office in previews. Life in plastic is fantastic if you can afford it. At AMC theaters, moviegoers can purchase a Barbie-inspired popcorn bundle complete with a doll and her dream car, the iconic bubblegum Corvette. As seen in the film, for a whopping 65, Barbie fans bristled at the hefty price tag, slamming the theater chain for driving up the collectibles price. Hop in and zoom around Barbie Land. Reads the description of the exclusive convertible, which acts as a popcorn vessel. This collectible Barbie car popcorn container recreates the iconic pink Corvette seen in Barbie the movie. With a curvy silhouette and retro trims, the vintage-inspired convertible is a piece of art on four wheels. It continued. The Barbie-inspired popcorn bucket retails through AMC theaters for $64.99. Twitter at Stephanie__138 fans touted their Barbie buckets on Twitter, while others bristled at the cost. AMC theaters on Twitter. AMC theaters elicited a less than enthusiastic reaction from Mattel fans. While some applauded the doll-sized Corvette for its sheer cuteness, others said they cannot justify purchasing this.